Grandpa, can
What,
you
Jack?
come upstairs with me?
Why?
Wait, will you video me and find that
The stuffies? Yes, I will do that. Here we go.
downstairs? Wait, why is the stairs so little? Are they getting bigger?
What, the stairs?
I feel like I've grown so much. And everything feels like it's so light. More. You're gonna see if the stuffies come down. Okay. Grandpa,
What?
where are you?
Down here. Where are you?
I'm up here.
All right. First stuffy down is Mr. Turtle. Ah! Grr. He looks like he's normal. Better try another one. It's Mr. Tiger. Ah!
He died. Are you ready?
Back to normal. Next one is this round thing.
It's a mango.
Ah! Oh no, it's a Stuffie Blizzard. It's a little kiwi stuffy. Ah! Oh no, it's Buzz. Ah! It's Peppa Pig. And it's some green thing. And some rat. And some raccoon. Ah! Oof, ah, ooh, ah. Oh, that's a dinosaur. Ah, that's another tiger. I don't know how many tigers one kid needs. Ow! Ooh, ah. It's
Getting a bit excessive now.
a rainstorm of stuffies. Ah! And it's Mario or Luigi, whichever. Okay, go ahead. Ah! Ah! Oh no. It's a blizzard of stuffies. I don't know how many buzzes you need. I don't know what this green thing is. It's a Masters golf ball man. Except he looks like some of my golf balls, which are not round anymore.